text business English about business plan as entrepreneurship implementation about economic learning on SMA. My name is Sela Putri Utami. Introduction. A great nation is a nation that always refreshes and remember the service of its heroes. Maybe we have heard that from the past, but for the era of globalization, like now, perhaps cash law can be added to make it a great nation. A nation that can therefore the nation charter because it is the nation charter that will make a individual charter is very important for the formation of the nation. Future generation where from now the nation is experiencing a crisis. It is not easy for study. It must be done continually. So that the 2000 curriculum informed with context my element of charter education. All learning at school must implementation a charter education system because it can address all problems that organism for the character and personality of students. Discussion. Entrepreneurship is an attitude, skill, and ability to create something new that is very valuable and useful for himself or other. Entrepreneurship is a mental attitude and so that is anyway active or active, empowered, creative, work, and is humble and thrives to invest in some in business activities. Someone who has a entrepreneurial character is always distinct with what who has active internet are people who have the ability to see and assess big business opportunities. Rather the risk needed to take appropriate action, take advantage and have the nature and the will to bring innovation into the real world create in order to achieve success is under increased relevant. In Asia, an entrepreneur is a person who has an enterprise and applies the nature of entrepreneurship in his life. Meanwhile, Sukardi that there are need courses of entrepreneurship, namely 1. Intermental nature, 2. The nature of achievement, 3. The nature of the flexibility to association, 4. The note of handwork, 5. The nature of health, 6. The nature of calculated decisions, 8. The nature of soul concern, 9. Innovation, 8. Independent nature. Business plan. A call to business plan is sales document the convert the estimate and program of your business to financial super outtake. A business plan is a document provided by an entrepreneur that is tailored to his professional business context. Detail about the past, present, and future of my company. The content include managerial and sleep the first conditional of the building, employees for sure of optional information about the company software and the marketing policy of the company. The business plan also contains data of profit, company balance sheet for the next 2 years. Also include with others from member of the management. There is company to company set goal to be achieved. Research and marketing rules. A business is a business that is a own group must be ready to profit and be front to loss. Business do not only depend on many capital but many for the implementation of a business. B. Business is born since is a general that are activists and institution that product goods and service in every life. C. Business is system that product goods and service to sustain the needs of business. The simple that product and the of social. The point in how the market condition of the business being run. The key to a successful marketing plan is how far you can get to know the success of, for example, within one what they don't want what they expect by knowing out the phrase that the first marketing strategy suited our customer need expectation and their desire can be met. There are 6 essentials of the importance of entrepreneurship, namely 1. Entrepreneurship is a field that is boosting in behavior that is assessed as a reason driving for goal to achieve business plan and rulers. 3. Internship is a process of doing something fun, now creating and different innovation that is asked for in providing that value. 4. Entrepreneurship is the ability to call something now and diverse. 5. Entrepreneurship is a process of applying skill and innovation in solving problems and finding opportunities to improve business life. Entrepreneurship is creating a difference by companies taken in the and efforts ways to meet the competition. Conflicting and suggestion. The conclusion in the study is that the preparation of a business plan has been given to students as an effort in model economics learning at SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo starting its class. For extensive material which is very useful for implementation. Entrepreneurship. A business plan is an entrepreneur plan in running his business with a very useful time for the progress of the company to be run. Writing an official work plan running the company is agreed to control the company and keep to man companies business focus from starting. The business plan give to student must make a real contribution the first of students in design business that are assigned in delivering their innovative spirit. The suggestion is these students are one for SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo, offering to support for an entrepreneurship must be in subject all fresh and self-development at SMA Negeri 1 Wonosobo. 2. For study by implementing a business plan, study should better understand and uplift the internship spirit. Thank you very much.